Hey everybody, welcome back to Toge Masters. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the KAAZ 1.5-way LSD for a 240SX. Alright, these are the axle sub seals. There are two of those, one for each side. It looks like these are the carrier bearings. This is 2 liters of the KAAZ L.S.D oil. There's a pamphlet, a sticker with the KAAZ logo, as well as the seal for the rear cover. And this is the actual LSD. Alright, looks like there is oil all over there, and also the bearings are already pressed in, so you don't have to do that yourself. This will save me a step later on. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.